I have a confession. I have a secret love for Southeast Boise. Now, in the last video, I spent a lot of time trying to find reasons that the bench was better than Southeast Boise. And now, here are the reasons why I just can't get Southeast Boise out of my head. The homes. In the last video, I pulled 40 similar homes on the bench and 40 similar homes in Southeast Boise, and I found that Southeast Boise has more homes that are built in the 70s, 80s, and 90s than the bench, and homes that are built in the 70s, perfection. The Greenbelt in Southeast Boise is my favorite. In Southeast Boise, you really feel like you're secluded. A lot of the neighborhoods are pretty out of the way, and it feels like you're in a secluded little neighborhood. And that doesn't just go for the neighborhoods, but the entire area feels like it's secluded. You find a lot of wildlife. Oh man, the parks. The parks are cute and quality at the same time. Here, let me show you a few parks that I really love in Southeast Boise. This is Barber Park. What people most know this park for is people rent rafts, they put their rafts in here, and then they go and take them out all the way at Ann Morrison. This is a really great park. This park is really cool. It's in Surprise Valley, specifically inside of Southeast Boise. It has this really cool rock wall that you can climb up to the slide. It's super cool. So for perspective, I'm pretty tall. I'm at 6'6". I'll set this down, climb it up real quick. Let me see. Setting it down here. So I'm really glad I got that off my chest. I do love Southeast Boise. I don't have anything against Southeast Boise. I just have a little bit of pride for the bench sometimes. Thanks for watching, and if you liked, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Thanks, and I will see you tomorrow.